To replace your pedal switch, first you need to disconnect your battery. So unscrew your seat. And disconnect the clips. Now, reach underneath your pedal and smack it out of the footrest. Holding the pedal together are 4 screws. Remove these screws. Connected to your switch are 3 wires. These wires are held on with a small piece of metal connected to the top of the clip. Press in on this clip and pull up on the wire. Discard your old switch. Now, remove your new pedal from the box. When you remove your new pedal from the box, your switch will be color-coded. Match your red wire to the red post, your yellow wire to the yellow post, and your black wire to the black post. Now, to test your new switch, plug your battery in and to press on the pedal. Everything is working, so we'll go ahead and put the rest of the pedal together. Remove your housing from the box. Match the cutout hole with the wires. And replace your 4 screws. Now, place your pedal into the footrest and press it down firmly. The last step is to replace your seat. And now, your child is ready to enjoy their Raptor.